project is especially meaningful to me because it focuses on something we don't always get enough in our PharmD curriculum, hands-on experience. Although long-acting injectables play such an important role in improving patient outcomes, many student pharmacists have limited opportunities to practice administering them. We were able to create a space for students to build confidence, develop practical skills, and feel more prepared to step into real-world patient care. I am deeply thankful to the American Association of Psychiatric Pharmacists Foundation for funding this project and for investing in PharmD students. AAPP will give me the opportunity to network and learn from professionals, and most importantly, it exposes me to real-world practice. During my application process, I had applied to several programs, and one of the things that caught my attention about WesternU is that they had a 3.5-year PharmD curriculum. Dr. Chan made the interview process go very smoothly. Everyone who was there was very welcoming. It felt like a community, it felt like family, and I just felt like I belong here. Step into roles that you don't feel comfortable in. These roles and opportunities will always benefit you and make you a well-rounded pharmacist in the future.